think that Travis Hunter should be the leading candidate for the Heisman Trophy. On both sides of the ball, this brother is special. He's a playmaker on both sides of the ball, a difference maker on both sides of the ball. Can be a lockdown defender when you...
Make sure everything you need is ready in your project, like your background images and any other graphics you'll use. Step 1. Setting up the position keyframes. Go to where your beat is marked. Press P on your keyboard to show the position settings. Click the stopwatch icon next to position to set a keyframe. Step 2. Adjusting the position now. Move to the beginning of your timeline. Change the position of your graphic to where you want it to start. Step 3. Syncing your animation to the beat. Select your position keyframes by clicking on them. Press F9 to make them easy ease, so the movement looks smooth. Step 4. Using the graph editor. Open the graph editor. Make sure it says Value Graph. If not, right-click and pick Value Graph. Adjust the curve in the graph so the animation speeds up at the end. This will help your graphic match the beat better. And that's it. Now you've learned how to make your motion graphic move to the beat. Subscribe.